Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure your phone is ready. Check Android version and update Google Play services so payments run smoothly. Once done, set a secure screen lock. Google Pay requires it for contactless security. Make sure you're signed into your primary Google account. This ties payment methods to your profile. Then, open the Google Pay app or install it from Play Store. Next, tap Add a Payment Method to begin adding a card. I'll explain why each step matters as we go. Now you'll add a card. Tap Add a Card and either scan the card with your camera or type the numbers in for accuracy. Your bank will verify the card, often by SMS code or through the bank's app, so follow that prompt. This prevents fraud and links authorization. After verification, go to Settings Connections NFC and Contactless Payments to enable NFC and select Google Pay as the default. Make sure to review card nicknames and expiration, so payments don't finish by choosing a default card and reviewing preferences for online versus tap-to-pay usage. This saves time at checkout. You should test at a contactless terminal, tap the back of your phone to the reader and confirm the notification and receipt. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Reboot the phone, make sure NFC is enabled, and reopen Google Pay. If problems persist, remove the card and add it again after verifying your bank's confirmation. This often clears lingering verification.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.